Did you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Really Joy Morris Ganong Tamang, 29 years old, married, and have 3 children. I have 1 daughter and twin sons. Ages of 12 years old of my daughter and 9 years old of my sons. I have 4 brothers and 6 sisters. I am the 10th siblings in the family. I graduated secondary and also took vocational course in farming.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience more than 2 years here in Philippines for 4 family members, 1 couple and 2 children, ages of 2 years old and newborn baby. I do household tasks like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and the mainly is to taking care of the children.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope that you will hire me as your helper. I'm a hardworking person and responsible, and I promise that I will do my best to serve your family, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.